I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Kendalle Burlin O'Connell. She is CEO and President at MassBio. Kendalle, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Judy, thank you so much for having me. I couldn't be more excited.
You are very excited. I'm excited to talk with you. So now, Kendalle, tell me, can you give me an overview of MassBio and the organizations you represent?
Absolutely. So MassBio is the life science trade organization in Massachusetts. I like to say we're the first and finest because we're actually the oldest life science trade organization in the world, founded in 1985. And we're the finest because we represent the #1 life science ecosystem in the world. Our mission is to advance Massachusetts' leadership in the life sciences, grow the industry, bring value to the healthcare system, and improve patient lives. We have about 1,600 member companies, so think everything from your smallest startup, your largest biopharma, and all of the stakeholders in between that make the Massachusetts life science ecosystem so special.
So now, Kendalle, why is Massachusetts an important business hub for life sciences?
Yeah, so Massachusetts, particularly Kendall Square, is known as the most innovative square mile on the planet. And that's because we have such a rich density of ecosystem in Massachusetts. We have over 1,000 biotech companies. We have 18 of the top 20 biopharma. We have a world-class hospital system, and of course, best-in-class academic institutions. And lastly, I will say, what makes Massachusetts really unique and such a leader is we have this incredible collaboration between industry, government, and academia that has really allowed the growth and expansion of the industry over the last 15 years.
Now, you recently launched a nonprofit called Bioversity. Tell me about its mission.
Yeah, so in order to stay the best place in the world for life sciences, it's an imperative that we have a robust workforce pipeline. I think just as important as having a robust pipeline is to ensure we have a diverse pipeline. And so what we're looking to do through Bioversity is really ensure that every resident in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts can see themselves in a life sciences career. So Bioversity is about providing those on-ramps for folks into entry-level positions. It's a short-term certificate program, and it will start a journey for careers in the life sciences, but also a journey on an academic journey as well.
And tell me, what are some of the trends that you're seeing in the life sciences industry?
Yeah, this has been a unique year. 2022 was a bit of a unique year. We saw those highs for the industry, particularly in Massachusetts in 2020 and 2021. And we've been experiencing a bit of a reset. But Massachusetts is a very mature life sciences ecosystem. And typically when you see a reset, Massachusetts is the last to enter and the first to make it out. And we're seeing that happen, right? VC funding is still happening. It's happening a little bit different, a little bit more similar to pre-COVID, right? Smaller amounts over a longer time horizon, and investors are looking for more clinical data. But because we are such a rich ecosystem and mature, despite some road bumps and microeconomic setbacks, we are seeing positive trends moving forward. This year alone, the first half of the year, we've seen $3.4 billion of VC investment coming into Massachusetts. In 2022, we added 7,000 jobs. And in this year, so for our first half of the year, we've had over 17,000 job openings. So things are looking bright in Massachusetts.
All right, and talk to me a bit about the innovation that you're seeing.
Absolutely. So, in Massachusetts, we're known to be the most innovative place in the world. We're working on that novel, risky science. So areas like mRNA, right? Massachusetts played an outsized role as it related to COVID. We're just scratching the surface on where mRNA can be used. Things like CAR-T. There's 6 FDA-approved drugs now for CAR-T. Cell and gene therapy. Massachusetts is going to be a leader in this space. And just recently, we saw the first drug for postpartum depression come out of a Massachusetts headquartered company. So really exciting research happening right in Massachusetts.
All right, well, Kendalle, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much for having me. This was excellent.